Y'all know. Y'all living for this look. Now, I got a lot of requests on doing a full green monochromatic look. I was just very like trying to do gold. Like I wanted to do gold and green. Okay, actually, first I was going to do purple today. Okay, but something about this wig just kind of screamed my name. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let's just do a full green look. So if you guys are ready to learn this green cool look, it's very fast. I'm gonna teach you guys something wearable and creative. Keep watching, grab some green shadows and a yellow shadow, and let's go ahead and recreate this look. Happy fucking Friday to you guys. Today I am feeling my green fantasy. So as you guys can see, I already started my entire face. I'm already baked and ready to go. Y'all know I love green eyeshadow. Today we're gonna go ahead and do a really cool gold green kind of moment. To be honestly, like I rarely wear gold because I just don't really know how to really honestly sometimes make it super yellowy gold. And today we're gonna try to achieve a yellow shadow gold kind of moment, spotlight green, earthy kind of thing. I'm just kind of feeling my own little like green vibe. So I already pulled out a couple of green palettes that I love. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Melt Cosmetics. I'm gonna pull out some Morphe, obviously, and I'm gonna pull out some KVD Vegan Beauty, some primers, and I haven't really pulled out like gold things yet because I rarely honestly wear gold. The most gold you guys will ever see on me is like a little bit on the cheeks. For some reason, golds to me, like it just makes me look more yellow. Like, do you guys ever find that when you're trying to like bronze and use golds, it just kind of makes you look more yellow? I don't know. Maybe I'm using the wrong products. I don't know. And also, you guys, I know we are in this strict pandemic, so you guys know a lot of PRs and a lot of things are not coming into my studio. So like I said, I'm going back and forth and trying to stay super creative for you guys. I want to make sure my channel is well-rounded. Oh my God, I just realized I have baking powder all over my face. Before I start, I know a lot of people have slipped into the DMs and asked me about merch and pins and shirts. So if you guys go ahead and check out my online store, KimoraSupply.com. I have a lot of things, a lot of merch, a lot of t-shirts and pins on there on sale. I know I have a lot of previous shirts from my DragCon moments, and they're on sale for $5. I am doing custom autographed signature photos for you guys as well. A lot of my iconic pictures that I've done throughout the years since Drag Race. So if you guys want some merch, go ahead and check out Kimora Supply. I also will soon be selling a lot of my red carpet looks, TV show looks, a lot of costumes that I do not want anymore, and I want to kind of hand it down to anyone that wants to become a performer or anyone that just needs a cool little outfit to wear. In the meantime, let's go ahead. I haven't primed my eyes yet. I went ahead and did a little shimmer here, some eyebrows. I've been really obsessed with the KVD Vegan Beauty eyebrow pencil, you guys. Like, I literally, on my previous video, I showed you guys how to cut a liquid liner to kind of make it to like a fine point where you could do like eyebrow hair. So I've been really mastering it, you guys. Like, I'm like really super gagged about it. Shut up, Kimora, and let's go ahead and get this going. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull out a good old Morphe primer. Where's my fucking beauty blender? Okay, there it is. You guys, we are literally about to hit 50,000 subscribers, so it really does help not only growing my business and growing my creative channel, but making sure you guys are subscribing to my channel. And like I said, it's for free. Why not? Just hit that subscribe button. It's for free. Honestly, it does help, and I'm very eager to turn my channel into a well-rounded channel. And my goal this year, I mean, I know like I really wanted to hit 100,000 subscribers this year. Like, that just basically tells me like, oh my God, I'm inspiring like 100,000 people. What? So you guys, right now we are at about 48,000 subscribers, which honestly I'm so fucking thankful for. Like, that's a big deal. And I think what I'm gonna start with, because I really want to make it like almost like an olivey green, I guess. So I'm gonna stick with this palette. This is the Moneymaker. Oh, this is Making Bank palette from Morphe. And also, you guys, I know you guys know my code Kimora works on Morphe as well, but they are having a lot of crazy sales right now. So if you guys are really trying to stock up makeup, go check out Morphe.com and check out some makeup. They're having like amazing fucking sales. Like, it's crazy. Stock up, like get your makeup looks together. So I'm gonna kind of stay around these olive tone colors. Like, I really am not gonna choose anything bright and bluish. I want to kind of stay olive green because I feel like these colors really complement each other. And my hair color is gonna be a little green, so I don't want to look like, you know, leprechaun Barbie or anything like that. So first I'm going to start with this cool color. I don't even know what this color is called, but I mean, I'm sure you guys have some colors like that. We're just going to really get it on. Oh, that's kind of like way too like swamp. It could work. I mean, I'm not really trying to be a little swampish, but it could work. We'll see. Actually, it's actually pretty when you build it. So yeah, just kind of taking this color and just really adding it on. Okay, see, that totally like looked way better than the first swatch. And sometimes you guys honestly just layer them, because sometimes when you layer you really get that true color. And honestly, Morphe shadow to me, you guys, just really does the job. I mean, look at no fallout. I mean, hello. And I'm like going crazy with the color right now. I'm just gonna put this on the outer. And you guys know I love to always start like on the outer corners. I'm like kind of debating if I want to do like a yellow like liner on the bottom. I've never done that before, and I'm kind of like, why not, right? I am gonna go ahead and do like a cool little spotlight moment, but in the middle it's gonna be yellow. So I'm trying not to do so much color in the middle and just really keep it like super. I mean, should I do yellow on the bottom? Maybe I should. Okay, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so now I'm planning to do yellow. I'm gonna take this really cool color here. It's almost like a baby version of this color. If I'm gonna stay in that swampy green color, I'm gonna try to find my shade that kind of all match, because I don't really want to put like bright green in the middle and then dark green on the outside. It's just, it's all weird, and it can kind of become very leprechaunish. I guess that's the word of today. So I'm just taking this color and just really blending it with itself, because that's the only color I have on. Now taking that same color, I'm just gonna add a little bit more right here, and then I'm just gonna connect it up here with whatever product I have on the brush. And then there's a brown that I really fucking love, and it's part of that 4 collection, which is in this one. This is the Morphe palette called Talking Flirty 18F, and there's a specific sand color that I really do love, and I find it perfect for my skin tone to kind of blend out shadows. So I'm gonna take this color and just really blend the edge out. See, it just kind of like really gives me like that warmth. And then taking that color again, you guys, I'm gonna just add it to my nose contour and that green to really give like a perfect little blend. I don't know, the color works perfectly because it just kind of like really blends into my nose contour. So okay, perfect. So I'm gonna take that same brush again. I'm gonna pull up my green palette one more time, and I'm just gonna go and just really intensify the green. So now, pulling out my KVD Vegan Beauty. Now you guys know I love KVD Vegan Beauty, and a lot of people don't know Miss Kat Von D ain't got nothing to do with this motherfucking brand anymore. So it's called KVD Vegan Beauty, and they honestly have like one of the best stuff too. I love their stuff, especially when I'm in like Sephora and I need something that works. So taking out a flat brush, I'm just gonna test this yellow. It's very like, you know what? I don't know if I'm gonna put this on the bottom. I think it might be a little too like, not clownish, but a little too much. So I think on the bottom, we're gonna continue with the green. I think yellow on the top and yellow on the bottom is a little too much. I think on the bottom, I'm gonna keep it very smoky. I'm just taking that same color and I'm just really blending and smoking out the bottom. Now we have like a good old like sketch of what we're doing. I'm gonna take that yellow now, take it, and I'm just gonna carve. And this one's not as yellow as I imagined, but this is just a base. So I'm taking that KVD Vegan Beauty, the yellow, and I'm just really applying it in the center of the eye. And you can go really big when it comes to this, you guys, because we're gonna go back with some green shadow and really blend it in. So it's not gonna look this big. Okay, that looks definitely more yellow. Like that's kind of like what I wanted. We're gonna find the most yellow shadow you can think of. Oh, here's some. Here's a yellow. So some reason my brush has yellow on it, so I've done yellow before. I'm taking that yellow and I'm just gonna really, oh no, that is not cute. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 that yellow was, oh hell no, that yellow was way wrong. Oh my god, that was so gross. What the hell, you guys? This yellow is not cute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take some of the KVD and I'm just gonna apply it right on top of that. That was not cute. Why was that so not cute? Okay, I think I got my yellows mixed up. You know how some days you do makeup and you're just like, oh my god, today's that day. Today's that motherfucking day. Okay, do you think this one works? Anastasia. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, so Anastasia, Alyssa Edwards collab. I'm just gonna take a little bit, and I'm just really using this yellow to really set the product, because remember, you guys, it is a cream product. You don't want it to be so creasy and weird. You want it to kind of look very, you know, like you know what you're doing, you know? Like you know exactly what you're doing. Ooh, look at we have another yellow. Okay, so this one, ooh, this is perfect. Okay, so this is the Honey ColourPop. So this is all yellow. I was like, bitch, what kind of mirror contraption is this shit? Like I looked in here, I was like, what the fuck? There's a seal. I can't peel it off. Okay, taking some of that. I want it yellow and I want it fierce. Okay, that yellow is way more sickening. Look at that yellow, bitch. Bitch. Okay, I feel like This palette is gonna be like my yellow palette of the day. I don't think I'm gonna change it because I don't really have yellow palettes. I'm gonna try to use some of this color called Dandy. Oh yes, that's kind of cool. Okay, but I think I should wet my finger. Give me that wet look. Okay, yeah, so that's kind of cool. The shimmer does make it look a little more elevated. I'm like literally taking my finger and digging it into the palette. Like it looks literally ruined, but whatever. So chunky glitters, FYI, you guys usually have to use a finger for it because brushes honestly just kind of move it around too much and you can't like keep the color that it's supposed to be. We're gonna add this one too. Okay, so that looks way better and cooler. I'm just gonna wet my finger a little bit. And then there's a color here that's almost like an olivey shimmery color, which is this one. It's almost like the shimmer version of that. And I'm just gonna press it on the side. And this is where you really start to kind of see the color tones of green happen. Like I don't even think the camera does justice for this part because I can really see it. And you guys know I rarely wear shimmers on my eyes. Today we'll make an exception. This is kind of bluish color that I think might look nice because the greens, the yellow, the blues can make sense. So taking some setting spray and wetting my finger again. So I'm gonna dip into this mermaid kind of blue color. I'm just gonna tap it in the inner corner to kind of make this spotlight just a little bit more interesting. Ooh, look at that, how cool that looked. That really made a difference. I'm like really happy we did that. Now you guys know I'm obsessed with black. So we are gonna go ahead and add a little black in here. I think the black is going to make it really define. Pulling out my house labs because we have that in front of my face. I'm just gonna literally take the black and just really blend in on the edge. This is really gonna give me like that nice smoky green kind of moment. Let's go ahead and dust off all that setting baking powder. I'm gonna make sure I'm really bronzy because I want to be super bronzy for this. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes and I will be right back to highlight and do lips. So got the lashes on. Now that was a fucking mission because I was like, oh my god, my lash wouldn't even like stick. So fully contoured, let's go ahead and highlight a little bit. I'm gonna pull out my Morphe highlighter. I'm gonna keep it all the same here. I'm gonna try to highlight with this brush. Like Trish brush from Hank and Henry. I've been looking at this for a while and I kind of think this for a highlight brush would be kind of cool too. Now I'm kind of going back and forth in my mind. What lip color I can use? What lip? I'm gonna use Jeffree Star Christmas Cookie and then I'm gonna combine it with the House Labs. This is the Myth liner, the one that I just love so much. Taking out Christmas Cookie. Oh my god, it's so pretty already. It's like the perfect like light pink. It's almost like nude pink. Now, I think this needs some like pink up here. So I'm gonna pull out Lick My Glit and just with the touch of the finger, just kind of give yourself like a little pink highlight underneath. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Now, what the hell happened on this side? So I'm gonna take my highlight brush and just gonna... And then voila! All right, you guys, so far I achieved the gold. I think the gold is very gold. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then let's go ahead and see the final look with the wig on. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, got the wig on. See, I told you guys this eyeshadow was like something I wanted to do because of the shirt. This is the exact eyeshadow that I had in my mind. Shout out to KVD Vegan Beauty, Morphe, to House Laboratories, to, I mean, just without them, this look probably wouldn't have been like this. In the meantime, you guys, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button and I want to see you guys again next week. Also, and remember, you guys, stay home, stay safe, take good care of each other. Make sure you guys visit my website where you guys can get exclusive merch, exclusive pins, and signed autographs right here, KimoraSupply.com. I have shirts for $5 you guys, literally, and they're limited. I'm not gonna make any more. If there are any Wait What fans out there, I do have some limited Wait What pins. You guys, I love you. Thank you so much for this, and let's go ahead and hit 50K subscribers on my channel. I love you. I'll see you guys in a few days.